Okay, so we're going to do an example of finding the perimeter of a figure where you're not given all the sides. Remember, perimeter is the distance around a certain object. Okay, so we need to find the distance around this particular object. And here's what we're given so far. Now you notice two of the sides are not given, but if we kind of think about it, we can find them quite easily. If you look at this top side here that's blank, we need to know how long it is all the way across. Well, if you look at the opposite side, if you look across, we have a piece that's 12 kilometers. And then it goes straight down for a moment and then continues over at 6 kilometers. Alright, so we know that this side has to be those two sides added together because it's going to be the same length in total. So 12 plus 6 means we know that it's 18 kilometers. Okay. So now look at this right side here. Again, that's not given, but we're going to find it. Look on the opposite side where we have the 22 kilometers. All right. And then it takes a break again. It juts to the right, but then when it goes down again, it goes down at 5 kilometers. So we know that this side has to be equal to those two sides since it spans the same length, if that makes sense. So it's going to be the 22 kilometers where it starts going down, and then if you look at the other piece that goes down, that's 5. Which means that this side on the right here is 27 kilometers. Okay? Alright. So now we have all the information we need. Let's go ahead and add up all the sides, and that'll tell us the perimeter of this object. Okay, so starting at the top, we have an 18 plus 27 plus 6 plus 5 plus 12 plus 22. And that should be all of the sides included. So now when we do the addition, we'll add up the ones column first here. We've got 8 plus 7 is 15, plus 6 is 21, plus 5 is 26, plus 2 is 28, and then plus 2 will be 30. Carry the 3. We have 3 plus 1 is 4, plus 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7, plus 2 is 9. Which means the perimeter of this object is 90 kilometers.